In this video we're going to make some super easy Pokemon cookies. First thing you're going to need to make these cookies is some Pokemon cookie cutters or templates. Now I made these 3 templates, I'll link them in the description below if you want to get a hold of them. Once you have your templates, it's just a simple matter of print and cut. Second thing you're going to need is a cookie recipe that doesn't spread. I can't reiterate how important this is. You don't want to be going to all the hassle of cutting out these shapes and then putting them in the oven and them just spreading everywhere. So when I'm making cookies like this, I always use Honey from Hanelia's sugar cookie recipe. I'll put a link to it in the description below. You're going to roll out that cookie dough until it's about 1 centimetre thick, and then you're going to cut out your shapes. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking. Once you have all your shapes on your tray, go ahead and put it in the fridge for maybe half an hour or so. That's just going to help with the spreading issue as well. Here I have some fondant that I've coloured with a yellow gel colour, and again I'm going to use the templates. While I'm using these templates, I'm also using some miniature circle cutters. I'm going to put a link in the description below for everything that I'm using in this video, but what you're going to do is just put your miniature circle cutter up to your template and get it as a guide to size. Now you can go in and cut around using the template, but if you do happen to have some circle cutters, you might as well use them here. Tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, so in our house, the kids have their birthday cakes planned out months in advance. There's actually a Pokemon cake to go with these cookies. I'll put a wee card up here if you want to see the video of Dylan's Pokemon cake. But I was thinking about what to make for party bags for Dylan's Pokemon party, and I just thought, why don't I just have a go at making some Pokemon cookie? And it was so easy and so straightforward, and it was so cheap as well. Once your cookies are finished, all that's left to do is bag them up and take them to your party.